This is the TALON RC helicopter from handhelditems.com. It's 3-channel and has 6-way precision control, which means you can fly it up, down, left, right, forward, and backwards. Inside the box you'll find the helicopter and a packet of tools, which includes a screwdriver and 2 extra parts, and the instruction manual. And in the back you'll find the remote control. Okay, so this is how the remote control looks. On top over here there's a switch that lets you switch channels, so it basically allows you to fly up to 3 different helicopters with the same controller. Notice the screw on the back of the controller. You need to unscrew that to be able to get to the batteries and install the batteries. The remote requires 6 AA batteries, which are not included. Okay, now let's take a look at the helicopter. What's cool about this one is that you notice the blades, see that they collapse. It's good for beginners that are prone to crashing. So before playing with the helicopter, you'll need to charge it. Get the remote and first of all turn it on. And look at the back. Over here there's a compartment. You just slide it open and you'll find a cable inside. Pull that out and just go ahead and plug it into the bottom of the helicopter. Okay, once you have that done, you see that the status light in front turned green, and you'll need to charge it for about 15 to 20 minutes for a play time of about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so once you have it charged, just remember to turn it on before you play with it. You find the on-off switch next to the charge port. Just go ahead and switch that on and you'll see an LED light light up inside the cockpit. Okay, on the controller, this joystick over here lets you control the throttle, while this one lets you go forward, backwards, left, right, or any other direction. Okay, so down here you'll find a knob that has left and right. Basically it's to tune the helicopter if it's spinning out of control. If it's turning clockwise, you turn it to the left, and if the helicopter is turning counterclockwise, you turn it to the right. So for example, this helicopter here, see that it's turning clockwise. You want to adjust the knob to the left and see if it fixes itself. So now it's turning to counterclockwise. You just turn it a little more to the right until you have it basically steady.